Hi guys, today we'll be making another design of bucket bag. Okay, so firstly we go in with 6 beads. Cross with the 6th one, and we have a circle. Okay, so now I'll be placing one in between the circle. Just like this. And I'll be crossing my line with the bead close to the one in between. So after crossing, then I'll have my first step of the base. So this is the first part of the base. So onto the second part, I'll be going in with two pair beads and 3 gold beads. I'll make a cross with the last gold bead. Pass my line to the next pair bead and add 2 pair bead and 2 gold beads. And cross with the last gold bead. I'll pass my line to the next pair bead and add another 2 pair bead and 2 gold bead. And that's what I'll keep doing till I get to the last to cross. Okay, so to cross to the other side, I'll be passing my line to the next pair bead and to the next gold bead and add 2 pair bead and 1 gold bead. The pair bead first, followed by the gold bead, and then followed by the pair bead, which I'll be making a cross with the last pair bead. Starting the last part of the base, I'll be passing my line to the next pair bead. Then I'll be adding 2 pair beads and 2 gold beads. Crossing with the gold bead. So now I'll pass my line to the next gold bead. After passing to the next gold bead, I'll be adding 1 pair bead and 1 gold bead. Cross with the gold bead. Now pass my line into the next 2 pair bead. And I will add 2 pair bead and 1 gold bead. Pass my line to the next gold bead. Add 1 pair bead and 1 gold bead. Cross with the gold bead. Pass my line to the next 2 beads. Add 2 pair bead and 1 gold bead. and that will be our routine to the end. Okay, so now to finish up this part, I'll be passing my line to the next gold bead, to the next 2 gold bead, and cross with just 1 bead. So the last step of the base is ready. So now we are to build up the bag. So to build up the bag, we'll be working into like pass your line to the next 2 bead. That's what we'll be doing. So after that, we'll be adding 2 pear bead and 2 gold bead. Pass your line to the next 2 beads and add 2 pear bead, 1 gold bead, just like I'm doing in the video. So just follow what I'm doing in the video, and that is what we'll be doing till we get our desired length. Now I have the length that I desire, so I'll be counting what I have to know where to fix my handle for it to be balanced.